In this tutorial, what we're going to see how to fix the Windows 10 start menu problem if at all it goes in a freeze mode. So there are two ways to handle this problem. One way is the PowerShell method. So we'll see how do we solve this problem through a PowerShell method. So go to the PowerShell where what I will do is I go to the search bar of the taskbar. I type in POWER PowerShell. As you see, the apps pops up. If I click here, okay, actually you have to right click here and say run as administrator, otherwise your command won't get executed. I say yes. This is the PowerShell window that has got opened. Okay, now you have to type a command called as SFC, which stands for system file checker space scan now. Alright, so I type SFC space /SCAN scan now. Alright, once I hit enter, it will start checking the integrity of my file system. If at all there is a problem, it will give me an alert, so there was a problem. Okay, and it not only tells you the problem with your file system, but it will also solve and repair that problem. Okay, so for the demonstration purpose, I have already run this command so that we save time. Okay, generally it takes time about 10 to 15 minutes to run the whole process. So if I see the command which is already run, okay, so this is the command which I had typed in SFC space /scan now. So be careful, you have to type space after SFC / and then scan now. So this is how the program was, the command was executed, and it gave me an alert, okay, which says Windows resource protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. So what does it indicate? That my system had a problem, okay, with the file. There are some corrupted files in them, and it has automatically repaired. Now to make this solution foolproof, you also have to type one more command in the PowerShell, which is this one, that is DISM space /online space /cleanup image /RestoreHealth. So this is the command you have to type, which ensures that right kind of files which have found corrupted in your system get downloaded on your system and gets repaired correctly. So to run this command correctly, you have to be on the internet, you have to be online, so that the necessary files get downloaded, the problem is resolved. So once this command is run successfully, this is how what you get a message 100% the restore operation completed successfully. So by and large, if you do this should solve your start menu freeze problem. Okay, now second method what we have to see is through a task manager method, wherein we'll restart the start menu options, Windows Explorer options. So go to the task manager, I click on taskbar, I right click task manager. Once I right click the task manager, in the processes tab you have to locate the Windows Explorer here. I say W, I have to just go on scrolling here. It takes time, and the moment you see Windows Explorer, you have to stop. Okay, there it is. This is the Windows Explorer box of the process. Okay, and what you have to do is after selecting it, right click and click option in the context menu as restart. Okay, once I click restart, yeah, it will momentarily flash the screen, and that will indicate that the process has been restarted. Okay, this is another method to ensure your start menu problem gets resolved. So this is how we solve the start menu problem if it gets in a freeze mode. If you find this very useful, do give us a like and do subscribe to us.